Hi guys, so this thing you can see all taken apart on my bench is a vintage Kenwood amplifier that I am trying to repair. It was €5 at the flea market, and as I have been watching to audio repair forums and videos for a long time, I wanted to try it. So the problems I found so far, I had a blown bridge rectifier here, but it is an auxiliary one. It is not the main bridge rectifier which is back here. This one is good. This one was blown and the amplifier was completely dead. So I did replace it with a regular 1N4007 diodes. And I did also find that two of the four power transistors are blown. Two test good and two are blown. So I will replace all four of them anyway. I did just order some from eBay from China, so it will take some time to arrive. They are Japanese models from Sanken, 2SC2579. Here is the heatsink on which they are mounted. So I did also order some thermal paste because I did not have any. And I need to order some 50 watts 8 ohm power resistors to make a dummy load. When I will have all this, I will be able to attempt the repair. So I did test the driver transistors. They test good. So I did unsolder them for testing them and put them back in place because they are also weird Japanese models. I did test some of the caps. They seem to be good. They have a low ESR, so they seem okay. You can see this thing has a really beefy transformer. Very heavy. I did replace one bulb on the front panel, which was blown. The other are still good, so I prefer to keep it in the original condition. And so far it is all. In fact, I need to receive the parts. So I did not find anything else obviously blown, so maybe it will be sufficient to repair it. This thing has been out of order since 1988. I have after sales paper stating the defect. So it will be all for now. I will receive the parts and order and receive the parts and make a progress report. First thing will be to stick back the transistors, put back the heatsink with the transistors and reassemble it somewhat in order to test. There will be first a smoke test, then there will be power supply test in order to check if they are the power supply is providing the correct power. I found the schematics online, so it will be quite easy. And after there will be a dummy load test for DC output on the speaker jacks. It is not good, so I have to make sure that I have not DC output. And oscilloscope test, and then test with speakers. If I can go so far, and if it seems to work okay. So one bad thing with this vintage amplifiers is that you have a few internal connectors, and wires are either soldered in place or wire wrapped. It is not very convenient for repair. So like here you have the light display panel, which was mounted onto a connector, but the volume potentiometer, for example, is hardwired, so I did put some auto glue in order to make some strain relief, and hope it will not I will not break the wires. Okay, so it is all for now. As soon as I make some progress, I will make another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.